Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to manually set up the ioGiant AC1200 Wi-Fi extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this ioGiant AC1200 Wi-Fi extender setup is one of the best. The ioGiant AC1200 Wi-Fi extender is a dual-band wireless device that boosts your existing router's signal to improve Wi-Fi coverage in areas with weak or no internet. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the extender into a wall socket near your router, same room. Turn on the power. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Power light should become solid. If lights keep blinking, wait a little more. Connect your phone/laptop to extender Wi-Fi. This is very important. Open Wi-Fi settings on phone or laptop. Look for network name like mywifi_xxxx. Tap to connect. No internet message is normal, because extender is not set up yet. Open Chrome/Safari/Edge browser. In address bar type 192.168.10.1. Press enter. If not opening, try setupwifi.net. A login page appears. Enter username and password. Then click Login. Check extender sticker if password is different. After login, you will see options. Click Repeater Mode or Range Extender Mode. This tells extender to copy your router Wi-Fi. Now extender scans Wi-Fi networks. Wait for list to appear. Find your home Wi-Fi name. Click it. Example, Airtel_5G, GeoFiber, or Home Wi-Fi. Now type your router Wi-Fi password carefully. Check spelling, check capital letters or don't add extra space. Then click Connect/Apply/Next. Extender will reboot. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Lights will blink then become stable. Do not unplug during this step. Now go to Wi-Fi settings again. You will see new network like your Wi-Fi name_xt. Connect using same Wi-Fi password. Internet should work now. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.